Welcome to Learn English Smartly.
Grandma, USA is definitely winning this one.
Oh, really? Based on what?
Stadium packed with American fans. Stadium,
Their midfield, their attack, their goalkeeper. This team has it all.
Grandpa, USA lost to Germany, Portugal, and Belgium before this tournament. Grandpa.
that was just practice.
Practice? Meanwhile, Paraguay beat Argentina and Brazil in qualifying. Argentina and Brazil, Grandpa. Practice?
Wait, really?
And their defense horde, Gustavo Gomez, Omar Alderete, won one of the toughest in South America. Pulisic will have zero space. And
But Pulisic scored against Iran in 2022 and sent USA to the round of 16. Big moments? He delivers.
And their young striker?
Only 22 years old, already scored 4 goals in qualifying. Young, fast, hungry, he is their most dangerous player.
And their
USA is the host nation. Home advantage is REAL.
So was Brazil in 2014. They lost 7-1 to Germany at HOME. So was
So? Still confident?
still confident?
Absolutely. USA wins 2-1. Final answer. Absolutely.
Paraguay wins 1-0. And when I'm right, you do the dishes for a week. Deal.
And when I am right, Atubata, you make my favorite tea every morning.
So,
Who do YOU think will win? USA or Paraguay? Tell us in the comments.
open the door. Open the door. Sit down. Sit down.
stand up. Stand up.
Come here. Come here. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Go outside. Go outside. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Run fast. Run fast. Run fast. Look around. Look around. Write your name. Write your name. Wait here. Wait here. Bring the book. Bring the book. Watch the road. Watch the road. Follow me.
Follow me.
Take the bag. Take the bag. Read the sign. Read the sign. Give me the key. Give me the key. Speak clearly.
I will speak very clearly now.
Speak clearly.
Is this better?